song?
Yay!
So only you guys do. Did anyone else sing the song? So yeah, I loved it. It was just absolutely amazing. And this last song is a song that I